Hi, my friends, I'm glad to see you again. Do you want to try a healthy and incredibly fragrant dessert? Let's make a layered crispy lemon meringue cake. The recipe is very simple, and the cake will be very tasty. First, let's make pastry cream. We will use egg yolks for this. I have made this pastry cream before. The cream has cooled down a bit and now together we will turn it into a lemon cream. The next step is to prepare the nut meringue. The meringue is the basis for the cake. The word meringue, la meringue, in French means kiss. But in fact, these are egg whites whipped with sugar, nothing complicated. However, the technologies for whipping egg yolks can be different. So there are several types of meringue. For this cake, I will use a French meringue. Mix egg white and sugar with a mixer. Add sugar in 3 stages. In addition to these ingredients, I will use chopped walnuts. I first cut them with a knife and then crushed them in a blender in short pulses so that nut butter did not form. Add walnuts 3 times to keep the protein structure. I made 7 meringues for a cake measuring 15 by 22 centimeters. If the cake is thin, it will be more crispy. Place egg white dough on baking paper. Preheat oven to 320 degrees Fahrenheit. Bake the cake in a preheated oven for about 10 to 12 minutes. Walnut, like any other meringue or sponge cake based on beaten egg whites, is best used immediately. Form a cake on baking paper and let it wait to bake already formed. In this case, the egg white will not lose its shape. Now let's finish the work of lemon cream. Mix the butter with a mixer. Add the confectionery cream, zest, and lemon juice. Lemon cream is ready. Let's make the best lemon meringue cake. This is very easy to do. Place 2 to 3 tablespoons of lemon cream on each meringue. Hide the meringue lemon cake for 2 to 4 hours in a cold place. This is necessary to stabilize the cream. Decorate the cake with almond chips, lemon slices, and sugar balls. You can see the full recipe for lemon cake based on French meringue and lemon pastry cream at the link in the description of this video. Delicious experience, my friends. And don't forget to give a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for new pastry history videos and new cooking history videos. See you soon.